presenting the Dodge 2015 Charger RT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, DVD audio, MP3 decoder, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 8.4, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual zone AC. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.